Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds EDIFIER HECATE GX07 using your phone. All you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and then at the back side of the charging case we have USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port, and on the sides we have the LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!